Hey, what's going on, my friend? James here. I'm out here on this beautiful day, my hometown, one of the local parks. Beautiful scenery, as you can see. Everyone's out today. They're exercising, walking the dogs. And so I basically want to come out here and soak up some of this sunshine today. I'm not sure if you know my story or not, but again, my name is James Bill, and I'm from Louisiana. And I started working online about a year ago. I'm a musician, and I used to work different jobs. I was an aircraft mechanic, engineer of maintenance, traffic signal technician. Had some good jobs and some really decent pay. But by me playing music on the weekends, hanging out with the doctors and lawyers and bankers and all these high-end people doing these private engagements that we were doing, I knew that I wanted to have what they had.
An Aston Martin. I think I could keep going on forever.
And to go to school or back to school for another 4 to 6 years or so. So basically, hey, nice little dogs there. So basically, what I did was start searching online for something that would give me the same results at a much faster pace. And I stumbled across a mentor that really helped and guide me as to what it would take and what I needed to do to be successful online. And like I said, it's been about a year now, and it was a kind of rocky start. Like they say, you go down this rabbit hole. And I hung in there, and that's the number one rule: don't ever quit.
Never quit or give up.
And I hung in there, and I started having success. And I want to kind of share that with you today, because there's a lot of technical things that you're going to have to know about, but don't worry about the technical stuff. That'll come to you, and there's always YouTube and Google to get whatever information on little things like that. But one of the main things you're going to have is your mindset. Your mindset is everything in this business, and you're going to have to basically just do your personal development, which is reading books, listening to audios, and following some people that you can model to do, that has done and has the success that you're trying to get. And this is how you reach your goals. You're gonna need they call it capture page to capture you can gather all your information. Nice out here. Yes, you're gonna definitely need a capture page, gather all your information. That's basically someone signing in on your page, and you get that email so you can follow up with them. And you want to get everything automated, guys. Like I'm out here right now walking, enjoying the sunshine, but my business is running on autopilot because I learned how to run a business successfully and put it on autopilot. This is one of the things that my mentor taught me. And I just want to remind you that, there's a famous quote, one of my favorite quotes from Zig Ziglar. He says, you don't have to be great to start, but you do have to start to be great. So the main thing you want to do is get started, get with a good mentor, get you some training, and move forward, And for those of you out there that's already begun, one of the things you have to realize is that you must get your offer out there. You have a duty to share and spread your information. There's someone out there that needs your help, and you have to get that information to them. But they're not going to come knocking to your door. You have to get that information to them. That's why you need to be consistent with marketing and gathering leads. Because, like I say, they're not going to come to you. You have to reach out to them. And I want to share that with you. But anyway, for those of you that would like to know more, a little bit more about what I'm doing maybe, and to help you, get started in the right direction without wasting a lot of time and money, we can get you some step-by-step training and get you earning some commissions today, guys. So if it's something you may be interested in, go ahead and reach out to me. Click on the link below. Subscribe. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, because I will definitely be coming back with more great tips and strategies. Enjoy your day. Thank you.